Who doesn't love a clear, clean, glowy face? Sometimes all you just need is a bentonite clay mask. So I'll be showing you how to make this bentonite clay mask. And later on in this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you lots of benefits your face is going to enjoy when you use a bentonite clay mask. So I got this clay mask in this form from my local market. I'll be grinding it into powder. This clay is popular in the eastern part of Nigeria and they call it ulo. Is ulo ulo. So I would like to know what you call it in your own native dialect. So we're going to combine this with turmeric powder. Make sure it is 100% turmeric powder. I actually dried and grinded this turmeric by myself, so I am sure it is 100% turmeric. You can make your bentonite clay mask without the turmeric, but I want to enjoy more, so I'm adding it. I'll be mixing these two dry ingredients with my DIY rose water. You can always use ordinary water if you don't have rose water. Just the bentonite clay and ordinary water will give you the mask that you want. But because I want to go extra, I am adding turmeric and rose water, so the two are optional. Once we have all our ingredients ready, let's go straight into mixing it. It's advisable you avoid metal plates or spoons when mixing your bentonite clay because bentonite clay reacts with metals and we don't want that type of reaction. So I went ahead and grinded my bentonite clay and this is it in its powdered form. I will go ahead and add just a pinch of turmeric because you don't want too much turmeric in there. Add your turmeric and add your water or your rose water and mix to get a fine consistency, just something you can easily apply on your face, not so thick and also not too watery, something in between just to easily spread on your face. Once you're happy with the consistency, go ahead and wash your face because you want to apply your mask on a clean face. Preferably use lukewarm water to wash your face and then apply. I am applying mine with an old makeup brush. It is easier for me. You can use your finger, you can use brush, you can use whatever works for you. Guys, check out the amazing benefits you are going to enjoy with this clay mask. So tell me why you won't give this super face mask a try. If it's your first time straying into this channel is all about DIY and all of those good talks. Now, in fact, this DIY, I'm taking it to another level. I'm planning on making a DIY private jet that will carry all of you, my besties, and we'll be traveling from one country to another having fun. Will you ever want to go on a ride on that type of DIY? There is nothing I cannot do. So guys, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and join this family. We will be very, very glad to have you in here. And also special thanks to you, my old subscribers, you're not old. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. Thank you for making me always come back. Thank you for staying here with me and growing this channel. I really, really appreciate you guys. I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much. Don't forget, don't forget to leave that bell notification on so that whenever I upload any content, any new content, you'll be notified because I always want to see you here. Now, back to our mask. Please let it dry for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Whenever you see it gets dry, go ahead and wash it off. And don't forget to moisturize your face. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.